If you are wondering if you can use your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 with non-Samsung smartphones, then the answer is mostly yes. So it is possible to use Galaxy Watch 9 on pretty much every Android smartphone, but it is not possible to use on iOS or with iPhones. So unfortunately, iPhones are just, excluded completely. It is not possible to pair Galaxy Watch 9 with iPhone. But if you have any other Android smartphone that is not a Samsung smartphone, then you can actually connect it. For example, over here, I have a Xiaomi smartphone, and you just need to get the Wearable app, which you should be able to get from the Play Store. If you go to Play Store, you can easily search for Wearable. Sorry, let's try to search for that app again. There we go. So this is the app that I'm talking about. You need to simply install it on your smartphone, and then you should be able to pair your Galaxy Watch 9. And unfortunately, this app is not available in App Store, which means that unfortunately, it is not going to work with iPhones. Any other Android works just fine. However, there are, of course, some disadvantages or drawbacks if you decide to connect a Galaxy Watch 9 with a smartphone that is not a Samsung smartphone. And to be precise, there are just some features that are exclusive to Samsung devices. Like, for example, over here we have this Health Monitor app, which is not supported if your Galaxy Watch 9 is paired with a non-Samsung smartphone. But still, the majority of features that we have available on Galaxy Watch 9 they work just fine. So still you should be able to use most of the features that we have available in here, but unfortunately some of them will not work. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.